I hope you're doing well at home. So, I welcome all of you to our subject Information Technologies online lecture sessions. We have already completed 4 lessons. The fourth lesson was Computer Lab Rules and Etiquettes. Okay, and today we are starting a new lesson which is block number 5, lesson plan number 1. So, let's start communication devices. Do you have any idea what is this communication devices? Let's begin the lesson. Communication is the ability to share information. It is sending, giving or exchanging information and ideas between people. We need communication, otherwise we would lose contact with our families and friends that live far away. The device used for this is called communication device. And nowadays, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, all these they have become very close and important to us. Okay, our most of the communication nowadays happens with the help of WhatsApp. After that, we use Facebook Messenger. Okay, so these devices or these social media platforms we use for communication are really very useful. So first we'll start with the sources of information. Okay, science and technology has provided us with various sources of information. Here I think you can see this clearly. First one is printing press. Today we use modern versions of the printing presses to print books, magazines, newspapers and dictionaries. And because of the invention of printing press, it is possible for us to read the books, to get the many copies of the same book. Okay, and at the same time it gives us a knowledge also. Daily we read newspaper by just spending 2 3 rupees, and we get information of each and every part of the country as well as the world. So printing press has brought a revolution in communication devices. It is really very important device. Second one is Xerox machine. Whenever we want duplicate copies of our documents, we just go to Xerox shop and we take Xerox. So Xerox company invented the Xerox machine, which is used to print photocopies of the documents within a few seconds. So we get photocopies of our documents within few seconds. Like whenever we have to apply for the job or whenever we have to go for interview, we take the Xerox of our documents or our certificates. Okay, so it is also very important. Next one, third one, which is a fax machine. Fax machine can send pictures or text or a telephone line quickly. It can send pictures or a text or a telephone line very quickly. So it is really important. These all machines are really important. They have changed our life completely. So let's check few more machineries. These are useful and familiar to all of us. Maybe you must have not seen printing press, but you have seen Xerox and you must have seen this fax machine. Just go to any office, you will find this fax machine. Okay, next one, which is a post office. You must have seen post office nearby. Okay, there was a time when we used to depend on the post office for sending and receiving our letters, okay, our greeting cards and various other things. But now the post office concept is getting changed. There are various courier services available still, but in this age of competition, post office is one of the very reliable medium since it is a government organization. A post office is a facility for the posting, receipt, sorting and handling, transmission or delivery of mail. Any urgent short message to faraway places can be sent through telegrams. Correct? So that's why it is really a very important. So you can see here there is a telegraph machine which was used during that time. for sending the telegraphs or the telegrams. Okay, so next let's check what is next. Next one is radio and television. There was a time when people used to enjoy cricket commentary, news, and various other things like songs and various other news or informative programs on radio. So radio was one of the important part of each and every person's life. But now we can easily listen and watch news on the television. Okay, so here radios send information through a process called electromagnetic waves. Radios are used for many purposes like communication, radar navigation, weather reports, news, television broadcasting, and music. Television is used for many purposes like entertainment, news, lots of information, music, and films. Television make it possible to teach lessons to kids, learn different languages, know the weather conditions around the world, and much more. Through satellite, we can get all the information sitting at home. You must have seen these towers, okay, on which you find some antennas which receive the signals from the satellite, and because of which we get mobile range, we get TV signals or radio signals, correct? So these are really useful things. Nowadays, though radio is not used that much, we use television in the situations like earthquake, flood, or any other natural or man-made calamity. We receive the detailed news by just sitting at home. If you want to enjoy the cricket matches which are happening or going on in Dubai or any other place, you can just sit at home comfortably and enjoy all those matches, correct? So these are all important things. In the next part of this lesson, we are going to check communication devices. Till then, what you have to do, you have to just read the lesson completely so that next time when we'll complete the lesson, you will be able to write the correct question answers. And student, this is the last theory lesson. Okay, so after that, we are going to start the practical sessions also. So thank you so much for watching this video so patiently and carefully. Have a great day to all of you. Take care, stay at home, stay safe.